In front of me is Huawei Honor 8A, and let me show you how to turn on and off battery percentage and status bar on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select battery, scroll a bit lower, and here you will notice battery percentage. So you can pick the preferred option, so you can hide it and have just the icon. You can have it next to the battery icon, just like that, or it can be included inside the battery icon. This is it. And actually I would leave it this way. I like it the most, but obviously you can pick the option that suits you most, and that's basically all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.